Hello, welcome to a beautiful hot sunny day in Bristol in the UK. And today I'm going to be doing this. These are some wheel inserts, or if you prefer covers. These are just for the front wheel. I'm not going to do the back, just going to do the front. Where you get them from depends maybe on where you live. You can get them from Mojo Customs if you're in the States, or somewhere that the States ships to cheaply, easily. I got these from Custom Zoomer in the Netherlands because I'm in the UK, and therefore they arrived much quicker than coming from the States, and also a million times cheaper because they didn't have the import duty. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to stick them on my bike. You might be wondering why I've nailed them to my shed door, and let's face it, if you're not wondering why I've nailed them to my shed door, there's probably something wrong with you. So I'm just going to say, if your name is Max and you own a company called Custom Zoomer and you spent a fair portion of your day polishing up these for me, you might want to look away right now, because this is some black paint. Are we ready? Not the best quality bad paint I've ever had. Now then, because there's a risk of overspray, I'm going to put the camera away for a bit. Just giving it light coats, building up the layers, little by little. It's so hot out here, I'm not sure. Hopefully I'm not going to get loads of creatures sticking to the paint. When my family come back from their little day out on their bikes, they are going to wonder why on earth there are two circles of black paint on my shed. But hey, while I'm waiting for it to dry in between coats, I'm going to do what you always have to do. I'm going to eat, I don't even have to focus in, I'm going to eat a cherry bakewell and get myself a cup of coffee. Give it another coat. Rattle can, as you can see. So if you know where to search on the internet, you can see me in my band playing a cover of Paint It Black. So if I remember, I'll stick a tiny little bit of that up on here because I like it black. Overspray, turning it off again. This video is gonna probably come in two parts because I'm not going to stick them on the bike today because I've got to wait for this to go hard, and then I haven't made my mind up yet, but I might stick, I don't know if you can see that, some transfers on there. They're not, I bought them ready, they're not actually as big as I thought they were. Can you see that? I don't know, it's so sunny I can't tell what you're looking at. Anyway, so it might be a silly idea and I might not go ahead with it. I don't know if it's going to work. Certainly not on the one where the brake drumsticks, where there won't be much sticker left, much transfer left. So we'll see. I haven't made my mind up yet. Okay, the final coat of paint, I think. It's baking in the sun. So the next thing is to get the wheel off. So the plans to take the wheel off and put the wheel covers on have come to a halt for today. I might do them tomorrow because we're gonna have a barbecue and listen to Euro 2020 on the radio while we're having our barbecue, and I think we've actually got some beer and champagne, so there's no way I'm mucking about with a bike with beer and champagne. So part 2 coming soon. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you feel like it, and I'll see you next video. Bye. Blah 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 blah.